Great trading day. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Big news today. NVIDIA, guys, had earnings after hours. Earnings did well, but it's down in pre-market or after market. All right, so we'll take a look at that. Okay, so let's get right into it. The markets were down overall. The Dow was down, guys, I believe over 400 points down today, but pulled up, closed down 159 points down for the Dow. S&P was down about a little over 1%. NASDAQ was down a little over 1%. S&P was down. Russell was also down. But what I want to show you guys right here is NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, guys, is down, all right, after market, almost 9%. All right, so that's not good for the stock. We'll see how it opens up, okay? But that's definitely not good. But we'll see. Earnings were great. This is what happens, right? This is why we don't follow the data, because you can have great data, great news, and the stock move lower. And you can have negative news, bad news, and the stock move higher. All right. So that's why we don't trade on data. Okay. All right. So that's why we don't do that. So just remember, hey, T, welcome, T, welcome. All right. So that's why, guys, we don't trade on data. Now, NVIDIA looks good to break resistance here. But again, all right, this is after market. So it's down right now, 8%. So right around 118. 118 would come in around here. If it does open in the morning, gap down, open in the morning, 118, 117, we could see a red candle, guys. All right, come in, and all of a sudden, we won't be near that resistance. We'll be probably testing support down in this area here. So for right now, we're going to put in a support line right here. Now, NVIDIA is the darling right now of Wall Street. So if it starts to sell, we'll see, all right, especially the S&P and NASDAQ move lower also. All right, and they closed down today. Let's take a quick look at how the rest of the Mag 7s are doing. So Apple is holding. Meta, Facebook, buy signal here. So far, guys, it's not holding that resistance. Okay, so it's trading below resistance, all green candles. All right, that's good, but it's not holding above resistance there. Microsoft, still in the markdown phase. Sellers are in control, all red candles. Google right here, same thing right here. Amazon, same thing, sellers are in control, okay? Tesla, red candle, it's coming down. So this, right, we've been talking about, right, not to get into stocks heavily, right? We do have a buy signal on the Dow, but we've been saying, hey, we're going to wait until we get more buy signal, more confirmation. And this might be the reason why we haven't seen more buy signals. Okay, so Tesla, all right, 2 days, guys, of sellers red candles. So yesterday and today, that's not good. We have support here on Tesla at 179, close today at 205, and then NVIDIA here. Okay, so just be aware of that. The VIX, big picture, 17. But if we look at it here, all right, 17 right here on the VIX. The S&P right here, trading right at resistance, guys. Okay. Hey, Ryan, welcome. All right, trading right at resistance. A bit of a pullback, purple support and resistance. So we know the price is under some pressure there. All right. No major concerns. We don't have any sellers coming in. Okay. So just be aware of that. Okay, so S&P just holding. On the Dow, guys, we know we have a buy signal on the Dow. We are waiting, like I said, for the rest of the indexes to give buy signals. All right, so the Dow, let's open this up. All right, buy signal here on the Dow, purple support and resistance, so it's under some pressure there. All right, and it's just holding. Now, guess what? I know NVIDIA right now, right, after market is down, what we said, 8-9%. All right, we'll see in pre-market if that change. And if it does, we'll get a lift. The market will get a lift tomorrow, okay? All right. The NASDAQ, guys, the NASDAQ white candle here. So again, we had a bit of some selling, no red candles, but a bit of a pullback. Retraced from the resistance right here. We'll keep an eye on that, okay? NASDAQ has been the one index that's quick to move lower, okay? All right. Ryan, the Dow Jones, okay. Yeah, let's take a look at that again. All right, so the Dow Jones, or the diamonds, but the Dow. All right, so Dow on the daily time frame, right? We have resistance here, and we've got pretty good resistance at 40,000. It close to that 41,000, but 40,000, that's a big deal. All right, so right here, here, that's our resistance, okay? It pulled back here from resistance right here, and here we are. We do have a buy signal by our systems right here. This blue arrow right here, I know it's hard to see, it's our buy signal. Good news, the good news on the Dow is that it's got a really good copper handle. Now we are in an upward trend line. We call this the markup phase. Nice upward trend. All right, so we're just looking to break through that resistance here. We have a cup and handle. All right, so here is our cup. This is our retracement here. That's the handle. We're just looking for a breakout. So we just need a catalyst right now to break out. Now, I'm glad you mentioned the Dow, because big picture, let me show you guys. Big picture on the Dow, which is right here on the weekly time frame. All right, we can see here that will remove a lot of the noise on the weekly time frame. Right, you can see here that we are moving higher. All right, so this was the correction we had early. When was it? Early. What was that? Early August? Yes, early August. This was your correction here. But after that, guys, 2-3 weeks of buying, especially here. Big recovery, broke resistance here, and then here we are. So big picture, we're still intact. All-time highs on the Dow. Okay, so the Dow is doing well, and we do have a buy signal on the smaller time frame. The Russell. All right, the Russell, guys, right here, small caps. Remember, S&P, and the NASDAQ, that's large cap, mega caps. Russell, the IWM, that's small caps, okay? All right, and right now, we don't have a buy signal, but we do have buyers coming in. Green candles here. If we break above resistance here, we'll get a buy signal. So we are very close, all right, to possibly getting a buy signal. And we might know tomorrow, based on NVIDIA, right, if we'll move higher. All right. The VIX on the weekly time frame, guys, right, we've got, it's at 17. So we need that VIX to stay below 20. All right. Ryan, you're welcome. We need it to stay below 20. A number above 20, that will increase volatility, bad for stocks. So we need the VIX to stay below 20. 17, it has been inching higher. All right, so it went from 14 to 15 to 17, but much better than where it was right here at 65, right, when we had the correction earlier this month. All the sectors are currently up, so that's good. That's good news for equities, right? Good news, but again, we do not have any buy signals. The big institutions, the institutions, guys, are holding, and we'll take a look at heat seeker, all right, and that will let us know that institutions are not buying yet, all right? They're just holding. I mentioned the other day that September, if we can get through September, guys, get into October, which is the buying season for stocks, that would be good. Okay. The dollar index made a move higher today. All right. So our traders, Forex traders trading the dollar pairs, we'll take a look at those this evening. Perhaps some of those closed. All right. But the dollar index got a bit higher today, up currently here. Now, still looks like we still should be short. So this might be just an intraday move. Sell short signal right here on the dollar index. All red candles still holding here. We do have near-term support right here. Further support right here. Big picture on the dollar index. We are looking for a bigger move lower on the dollar index. All right. So support is here, all through here, and here on the dollar index right at $100. And you guys know traders love these even numbers. Hey, Anthony, welcome. All right. Anthony, are you still in USD MXN? I think you should be doing well in that stock, in that currency. All right. Let me know. So, guys, we're still waiting for a break lower. So this move that we're seeing here, right here, all right, right here, in the index, in the dollar index, that might be temporary. Okay, sellers are still in control. So keep that in mind. All right. Don't go long so quickly on these dollar pairs. Okay. All right. Forex tracker. All right. I want you guys to pay attention. We still have good volatility here. We're starting to get some consolidation, more consolidation right in here. Okay, closed. Okay, good job. All right. So we're starting to see more consolidation, guys, but mainly, right, on the daily, on the 240, all right, see here, this red here in here, 240, and on the 60-minute time frame. So just be aware of that. We have no direction, absolutely no direction on any of the time frames. Okay, so Aussie, Kiwi, yen, dollar, euro, and pound pairs, guys, we have no direction. Notice here, right, they're up and down, right, up and down. Same on the 240, so 60, 240, all right, and on the daily. So just be aware of that. If you guys are trading, right, just trade lightly, be careful. Now, pound yen, we are holding, right, nice channel here, and we are holding that trend line right here, but we do have a red candle here. All right, but not a lot of volatility. All right, so we'll need the yen to open up to get things moving again. All right, hopefully that happens. So just be careful trading. All right, the market is funny right now. We've been talking about this. Okay, all right, we've been talking about this. The only real move we've seen is in the dollar index. Equity markets kind of holding still, and Forex is doing the same. All right. Current positions. Let's go through those. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Long positions. We have one trade long left on the 60-minute time frame. Let's go through those. Our US 30 traders, we talked about waiting for a buy signal All right, on the US 30, we got a buy signal. We never called it. All right, we never called it, and I'll show you guys why we didn't call it. Okay, so just wait for that system. All right, pound SGD on the 60-minute time frame. Right, that's the only long we had open still on the 60-minute. Right, close the trade, please. So buy signal was here on a break of resistance right here. Beautiful trade, guys. Okay, broke resistance right here. Buy signal here. We got a sell signal today. All right, so support right about here. All right, red candle, white arrow here. That's our sell signal to close the trade. So close the trade here. All right, so that's for a little over 200 pips. Okay, so buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade. Sellers are coming in here. Red candles, do not short this. All right, just take your profits if you traded it and just get out. Okay, don't short this. All right, so pound SGD, that's your Singapore dollar. Close the trade, please. So pound SGD, close the trade. Good long position here. We do have several short positions on the 60-minute in Monster Scalper. Let's go through those. These are on the 60-minute. These are shorts. These are dollar shorts. All right, USD NOK, guys. That was sell short signal here. All right, we should be out. Why do we still? We should be out of this. USD NOK, we should be out all the way over here. All right, so USD NOK. USD SEK, sell short signal here, buy to cover. All right, this is support here, guys. We were looking to break through that support. We did mention that we were low in the markdown phase, okay? So green candle here, buy to cover, close the trade, please. Okay, so USD SEK. USD SEK right here. USD CZK, hold on. USD CZK. All right, close the trade, please. So buy, sell, short signal was here. We were looking for a break of support. Buyers came in, green candles, sell signal here, close the trade. All right. All right, and we were low in the markdown phase. All right, so we traded this quite a bit all the way down here. All right, so close the trade. Be careful going long. Wait on longs. We'll wait on longs. Okay, so. All right, so USD SEK, dollar Swiss, same thing. All right, sell short signal here, buy to cover, close the trade. So you guys see what the dollar pairs are doing based on the dollar index. Dollar CAD, all right, this close. So short here, buy to cover. So short here, buy to cover. All right. If the dollar makes another move lower, dollar index, guys, we'll look for more shorts. Okay. No longs yet. All right. Dollar CAD, close the trade, please. Dollar Swiss. All right. This one is still holding. Previous short did well. So short, buy to cover. So short here. And this one is still holding right now. Okay. Keep an eye on it. Right, we have support here. We need another leg down. USD Swiss CHF. Okay, so we only have one short left. On the 60-minute in Monster Scalper, and no longs on the 60. All right, on the 240, we've got some longs. We would like to clean things up and wait for the next move. All right. All right. If this is not good for equities though. Okay. Now the dollar, right? We don't even have white candles, neutral candles yet on the dollar index. But if the dollar starts to move higher, that starts to happen. We can see equities come down, dollar move up. Okay, but too early to tell yet. Aussie dollar, really good trade going here, guys. Buy signal was here. Markdown phase, accumulation, markup. We right at resistance. Just remember, sellers are sitting here and here. We do have a purpose support and resistance here. So guess what? We are overbought. And with the dollar pairs moving higher, the inverse here, Aussie dollar could move lower. So nothing to worry about yet. And it's in good profit there. If you get a white candle here, keep an eye on it. Definitely, right, get a red candle, sell signal, close the trade. So buy signal here, holding all the way up here. That's for about a little over 200 pips. So good trade going here. It can certainly break through, but the dollar index would have to come down for that to happen. So Aussie dollar, good trade going there. Do we have further resistance above? No resistance above. So it could definitely move higher. Good trade. New Zealand dollar, same type of move here. All right, so these are the inverse pairs to the dollar. Buy signal here, guys, moving up nicely. All right, purpose support and resistance, and it keeps breaking resistance here. All right, the nice thing here with New Zealand dollar, all right, it's breaking resistance right here, no resistance above. All right, we talked about this is Joseph's trade, right? Brand new with us, his first trade, and I don't like it when brand new traders, their first trade is in profit, although small profit. All right, because guess what? Doesn't happen like this all the time. But good trade here. New Zealand dollar, buy signal here, moving up nicely. New yellow support and resistance lines. So that's good. Price keeps moving higher. Nothing to do there. Buy signal here, keeps moving higher. New Zealand CAD. All right, buy signal here, keeps moving higher. Great trade. All right, under a bit of pressure there. Purpose support and resistance. All right, next target is all the way up here, so we can remove this. All right, don't be lazy like me. Bring in your line. So here's your markdown phase. All right, and markup. All right. All right, was choppy in here, but finally, here we are breaking out now. Okay, New Zealand Swiss. All right, New Zealand Swiss, buy signal here, holding right at resistance. All right, good markdown phase, but guess what, guys? It's consolidating right here. So we need to break through that resistance. All right, so it's range bound right now, right in here. All right, so it breaks support, we'll get a sell signal. Hopefully it breaks the resistance, and then our target is all the way up here. What's encouraging for New Zealand Swiss is that New Zealand dollar is moving up nicely, and New Zealand CAD is moving up nicely. So usually they will move together. So New Zealand Swiss, the goal is for it to break resistance, keep moving higher. New Zealand yen, all right, same thing. Buy signal here, consolidating here, tight range, need to break out. Good news though, all green candles here, and it's holding resistance. Pound yen's been choppy, all right. Buy signal here, holding on the 240. We need a break, all right, to break to the upside, okay. All right, short, those are longs on the 240, monster scalper. All right, we have shorts on the 240. So guys, we still have a lot of trades here. Like I said, don't be fooled by that intraday upward move in the dollar index, okay? This is what will mess us up, right? You have an intraday move, right? Some noise, and all of a sudden we're chasing the dollar long. We don't want to do that, all right? And as you guys will see from the shorts on the 240 and the dollar pairs, they're still holding, or they should still be holding. Let's take a look. USD NOK. All right, sell short signal here. It's holding. We have a white candle here. So we need sellers to come back down and test support right here and break through. We have further support down here. So this is a big move we're looking for, okay? On the dollar, just so you guys know, we did look at it, right? The dollar right here, the big move. Yeah, we looked at this. Okay. All right, so we're looking for a bigger move here. Sell short signal is here. If you get a green candle here, guys, close it, get out of the trade. All right, USD NOK. USD SEK, sell short signal here. All green candles, we need sellers to come on back down, break through support there. USD SEK. USD PLN, that trade closed. So sell short here, buy to cover green candles. Close the trade, please. Okay, trade is over. All right, those of you trading on the 240, if you see white candles coming here, you can move it to a smaller time frame to manage that, so protect some of your profits there. Okay, so USD PLN, close the trade, please. USD HUF, all right, sell short signal all the way up here. I think we got in right about here. Green candle, close the trade. Remember, guys, when we go short, right, you get a green candle, that's like a sell signal. All right, when we go long, we use a red candle as a sell signal also. Okay, so short, buy to cover, green candle, close the trade. USD HUF. USD CNH, sell short signal here. Guys, we're going to close this. Okay, I'll show you guys why. We'll leave it for now. All right, now, this is what we're looking for. If we shorten it, sell short signal is here. We have yellow support and resistance. So we're having higher highs, higher lows within the downward trend or the markdown phase. That's not good. And then right here, look what these candles are doing. Okay, so here is the sell short signal, and these candles are moving higher here, right? Keeps moving higher. If it breaks through here, right, we're going to get a sell signal so we could get out early. The good news, why I say wait, is because this current candle right now is trying to move lower right here. So the current candle right here, okay, here it is right here. So it's trying to come down. I would definitely keep an eye on it. If that candle closes near the top there, you might want to close the trade. So this is one you really want to pay close attention to. So USD CNH, we'll leave it for now. Dollar Swiss, all right, good short going here. So short right here. And this is what we like to see. Holding nicely, and it's at support, right? Holding at support, right? Wants to break through, move lower, make another leg down. Okay, so very different. This trade here, USD Swiss, is very different from USD CNH. You see, big difference. Big difference. This trade here, sellers, right? They want to continue to move it lower. Here, all right, they're not sure yet what they want to do. Okay, big difference there. All right. All right, in Forex Dominator, we do have some trades. These are on the daily time frame. And we'll take a quick look at equities. On the shorts, so shorts, we'll start with the shorts. On the daily time frame, so the dollar shorts in Forex Dominator. All right, so short here, still holding. USD DKK, USD CAD, dollar CAD, so short here, still holding. Our target is all the way down here. If we make it down here, guys, before a lot of pips. USD PLN. Keep an eye on this one. We've got a tight range here. You guys can see this here. Resistance is up here. Support, very tight range here. The problem here is that right? We don't have any support and resistance line. Sell short signal is here. We need to watch this. If this trade gets near that previous support, becomes resistance right here, right? We could see buyers really coming strong. Okay. So we'll leave this here for now. But guys, if you're trading this on the, and I know we don't have a lot of traders in Forex Dominator. We have a few traders, not a lot. So, right, just be aware that if it gets back in this box here, above that resistance, moving up is resistance, we could see buyers come back in. Okay, just like it did here, 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 and even here. Okay, so just be aware of that. USD PLN, we'll leave it for now. And okay, right? We're looking to break through support. Now we need these dollar pairs to break through those support levels. Okay, because we have a lot of buyers. We have a lot of buyers sitting, waiting at support. Okay, guys. So, and even if you're not trading it, these are good examples that we need to pay attention to. Okay, so this is where buyers came in before, here, here, even here, and then here we are. So just be aware of that. Okay, USD PLN, we did that. CZK, same thing here, right? Buyers came in here, buyers came in here. Right, sell short signal is all the way up here. So we are looking for another move lower. Sellers are still in control, but just know this is an area where buyers, and we still, right, consolidating in a range, right? A big range, but it's still in a range. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay, these are trades that we don't want to go heavy in. All right, USD SEK, sell short signal here. And we're looking to break through. Okay, so the dollar index is holding at a big support. That's why we have, right, all these pairs on the daily time frame holding like this. Okay, like right here, big support here, guys. It's a big support. So, right, it's not that we can't trade it. We just have to be aware of what's going on, right? There'll be a time to go heavy, all right, just not now, okay? If the dollar breaks down, we'll see big moves further down, okay? So now is not the time to go heavy. And we've had decent trades on the 240 and on the 60-minute, all right? So if things open up, that would be great. Okay, so just don't push it, take what you can. Don't get too greedy. All right, Forex Dominator long positions here. All right, New Zealand CAD. All right, New Zealand CAD. Same thing to the long side, guys. We in a range bound buy signal here. We're looking to break out. Euro CAD. All right, buy signal here, and it's holding white candle, holding support here. We need buyers to continue to move higher. New Zealand dollar, buy signal here, good price action. All right, moving up nicely here. All right, finally got out of this, right, downward trend line. Look at this, very choppy. All right, we didn't trade any of this. Here's the trade here. We're looking for a breakout. Euro dollar, same thing here. We're looking for a breakout. Pound dollar, right? Looking for a breakout. Again, this is not your first trade. Right? There are better trades to take. All right, let's see if these few equity positions held today. Okay, remember, we are not in equities fully yet. All right. All right, so stock boss small caps, guys, we have a few positions. Let's take a look. All right, and remember, equities were down. Dow, S&P, NASDAQ and Russell were all down today, okay? So the stocks were also down. That's the way it works, all right? All right, so IAG, buy signal here. It's holding for now. Purpose support and resistance. Keep an eye on that. AQST is holding. Okay, buy signal here. Buy signal came in at 327 or so. Holding at 455. Good price action on a down day. AVXL, we're going to close this. All right, so buy signal came in, guys, at 470, and we have a pullback here. Notice it's not holding, right, at resistance. Support is right here at 576. Close today at 588. Buy signal here. Let's close it. We could see sellers come on back down. Support is right here. All right, so close the trade. And we don't have any fundamentals with these, so it's just price action only. PS, buy signal here. This is holding for now. All green candles, purpose support and resistance, but keep an eye on it. All right, small caps. All right, Russell. No buy signal under Russell. Okay, and this is why we are light on these guys. HCA. All right, healthcare in bull master is holding fine. Buy signal here, right? Good trade going here. THC, not a healthcare, buy signal here. Reaccumulation phase, great trading here. Bought here, sold here by the system. Bought here, sold here. Buy signal here, good markup phase. All right, so these trades are holding firm. Bull master pro with fundamentals. All right, ADMA, buy signal here, that's holding. Carver, all right, Carver under some pressure, but holding. All right, we traded it here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, nice cup and handle, moving up, a bit of a pullback, keep an eye on it. Coke, let's see how Coke did. Coke, buy signal here with Coke all the way up here, holding firm. HWKN, right, buy signal here, good price action, all green candles, purpose support and resistance. Doesn't mean, guys, we can't get past the purpose support and resistance. Just think of purpose support and resistance. Overbought. Price is overbought. All right. But that doesn't mean, right, that we need to sell. Price can stay overbought for a long time. All right. They were overbought here, right? Got past it. Price was overbought here, right? Got past it. Now it's overbought, right? What you might notice is that it consolidates a bit in here before it moves higher, okay? So your candles will tell you if there's no red candles, no sell signals, then just hold on, okay? NTRA, buy signal here again, right? Purpose support and resistance, keep an eye on it. PLTR, that's part of AI, much like NVIDIA, a lower price, okay, buy signal here. What's nice is on a down day, it hits support, previous resistance becomes support, but guess what? It pulled back and it's holding now. All right, keep an eye on it. That's the theme of the month, keep an eye on it. I don't know how many times I've said keep an eye on it, all right? That's where we are with the markets right now. SN, guys, buy signal here, and it's holding, consolidating right here. Good news, yellow support and resistance, so that's good, okay? All right. So those are current positions, okay? Current positions. We do have a gold position. Let's take a quick look. Gold's been moving higher. All right, so quick look here on the gold position. So gold is at 2,540. We've got a buy signal here. All right, buy signal here on a break of resistance. Retraced. All right, we got in right about here. Okay, so it's holding right at that buy signal. But gold keeps moving higher. All right. The US 30. So our US 30 traders, let's find it here. Where are we? US 30 traders, right here, futures. Okay. All right. So this buy signal, guys, we were waiting for a buy signal. You guys know we find on the daily, we have buyers on the daily. We were setting up, all right. Right, we took this trade, great trade here. This one we passed on. This one did okay. We were looking for a buy signal to continue to move higher. All right, we did get a buy signal, but we did not call it. All right, we were waiting today, all right, for buyers to kind of hold and move higher. Guess what? Sellers came in, so we never really called it. So just hold off, all right? So on the US 30, just hold off. Okay, guys, just hold off. On the NAS 100, hold off also. We might start looking for shorts. Okay, so we might start looking for shorts. Too early yet, though. We need some more sellers to come in on the daily here, but we are getting close. All right, and the S&P, all right. We still have buyers. Hold on. All right, we still have buyers here. We don't have sellers. All right, still have buyers here. So we'll wait on shorts. What we hope will happen, all right, is that, and if buyers come in tomorrow, this will all change. Okay, this is where traders will get squeezed, right, with their shorts. So you short this here, all of a sudden, right, you're back in the box right here, and then buyers are coming in. Okay, so no shorts, no buys, guys. Just wait. Okay, just wait. All right, we'll send out alerts when they're ready. Okay, equities. Let's see here. Stock Boss. So our Stock Boss traders, Bullmaster traders. Let's go here. So just to let you guys know that the institutions are not buying. Okay, and if they're not buying, we should not be buying stocks. Okay, so I'm going to run Heat Seeker. We track, this is small caps, right? Small companies, low price stocks. I'm going to run this so you guys can see. We track 22,000 stocks quickly. All right, so we're going to run it. There's only 23 stocks that showed up. Okay, so they're not buying. We've been saying that. Okay, so they're not buying. If they're not buying, we're not buying. Now the indexes, right? They're holding. We need more buy signals. The sectors are holding up really, really well. But stocks, they're not buying stocks. All right, so we wait. Bullmaster, let's run that. So 23 in stock. Look, Bullmaster 26. All right, guys. 26 in Bullmaster. All right. When things are moving, we'll get 100, 150, 200 stocks, okay, in Bullmaster. All right. So there's nothing there. So don't feel like you're missing anything, okay? If you're trading equities right now, unless it's the MAX 7, you've been in it. All right. Even the MAX 7s, let's look here. We don't have any buy signals. All right. We only have one in what? Meta, Facebook. Let's see here. And I'm almost done, guys. All right. So if we look here, the MAX 7s, right? Even the best companies, the top companies in the market right now, don't have buy signals. Okay. All right. So we're not missing anything if we're not trading equities. Okay. Even day trading it is going to be an issue. So Apple guys right here, no buy signal. We're not breaking a resistance, right? No buy signal. So they're not buying Apple right now. Right. Meta, Facebook, we have a buy signal on that break of resistance here right now. It's not trading above resistance. So they're not holding it. All right, Microsoft, look here. Look what Microsoft is doing. It's in the markdown phase. They're not buying Microsoft. Google, same thing here. All right, Amazon, same thing. Look at this, lower, look here, lower highs. It keeps moving lower, 190, 199, 189, 182, right? 170, the price keeps moving lower. All right. So they're not in these stocks. Might, you hear on the street, right? CNBC, that they're buying it. They're not buying it. Okay. Tesla, same thing. Look here. Lower highs, lower lows, keeps moving lower. All right. And then NVIDIA. All right. Now, the nice thing about NVIDIA is that it's just holding right here. All right. But they're not buying it, guys. They're not buying it yet. Okay. So just be aware of that. Be careful. Monster scalper, our monster scalper traders, that dollar short trade, just lay off that short trade for now. Okay. They're closing. So we should be taking profits. All right. Should be taking profits. Or cutting our losses. Very mixed in here. All right, this is not what we want. All right, we want smooth direction. All right, so we have sellers, buyers, just mixed. Okay, all right. So and these dollar pairs have moved down quite a bit here. That's on the 60. Look here. Look at that on the 240. Okay, so. Right, we should be waiting to take profits. All right, ideally, we want these dollar pairs. Ideally, if we're looking for the next move, right, the dollar pairs to close is what we would like to see. All right, so we like to see these dollar pairs close. All right, take profits and then set up to go long. All right, and then set up to go long. Ideally is what we'd like to see. They're getting oversold. They're really getting extended. Okay. All right. That doesn't mean they can't go lower. All right, but they're getting extended. Okay. So no picks this evening. All right. No alerts this evening. Trade what you have. Be careful. We talked about this last night. Bitcoin is still, guys, guess what? At 59,000. There is absolutely nothing here. Okay? Absolutely nothing. We have not had a buy signal since, when did I say yesterday? March. Okay? Nothing here. Okay? Above, really, we were looking at above 64,000 to see Bitcoin start really moving. Now it's really 70,000. Okay? Really 70,000 to see it start moving. But we have further support. We can move lower on Bitcoin. Okay, be aware of that. The markets turn, equity markets move lower. We could see Bitcoin move lower, but no trading on Bitcoin. And you guys will notice, because Bitcoin is a barometer for, right, all of the cryptocurrencies out there, they will follow Bitcoin's lead. Okay, all right. All right, guys, that is all I've got. Okay, so just hold tight. If you're trading, just trade lightly. And we'll see if things open up. Okay, NVIDIA, currently, what's it down now? Almost 9% down for the day. Aftermarket, NVIDIA should be up. Okay, so right now it's down. It should be up. That's a concern because earnings were good. So if it's not up on earnings, that's a concern. Okay, but we'll see how it opens in the morning. All right, guys, take care. Thanks for coming, and I will see you.